Today we're sharing 15 psychology tricks to instantly understand people. Want to know what someone's really thinking? From reading body language to spotting hidden emotions, these tips are fun, easy, and super useful. Let's dive in. Understanding body language. Body language plays a crucial role in communication, often revealing more than words ever could. By interpreting nonverbal cues, you can gauge emotions and intentions effectively. For instance, an open posture typically indicates confidence and receptiveness, while crossed arms may suggest defensiveness or discomfort. Gestures like nodding can signal agreement, while fidgeting might indicate anxiety or impatience. Facial expressions are equally telling. A genuine smile often reflects happiness, whereas a furrowed brow can signify confusion or concern. By paying attention to these signals, you can uncover the true feelings behind a person's words. Understanding body language not only enhances your interpersonal skills, but also helps you connect with others on a deeper level. So, let's delve into these fascinating cues and learn how to interpret them accurately. Active listening techniques. Active listening is a powerful skill that goes beyond simply hearing words. It's about truly understanding the speaker's message. By focusing on listening to understand rather than respond, you create a deeper connection and foster trust. One effective technique is paraphrasing, where you restate what the speaker has said in your own words, confirming your understanding. Summarizing is another valuable approach, allowing you to capture the main points and clarify any confusion. These techniques not only show that you value the speaker's thoughts, but also help you retain information better. To enhance your conversations, practice these active listening techniques regularly. The more you engage in this mindful listening, the more meaningful your interactions will become. So, let's commit to being better listeners and transform our communication skills. Mirroring behavior. Mirroring is a psychological technique where you subtly imitate another person's behavior, gestures, or speech patterns. This practice can create a sense of rapport and trust, making the other person feel more comfortable and understood. The effects of mirroring are powerful. It fosters connection and can enhance communication significantly. To effectively mirror someone, pay attention to their body language, tone of voice, and even their choice of words. For example, if they lean forward while speaking, you might do the same. However, it's essential to be subtle. Exaggerated mirroring can come off as insincere. Use this technique in various settings, such as during interviews, networking events, or casual conversations. By incorporating mirroring into your interactions, you can build stronger relationships and create a more positive atmosphere. Reading micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are brief, involuntary facial expressions that reveal a person's true emotions, often lasting only a fraction of a second. Unlike regular expressions, which can be controlled or exaggerated, micro-expressions are spontaneous and difficult to hide, making them a valuable tool for understanding genuine feelings. These fleeting expressions typically convey emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, and disgust. For instance, if someone quickly flashes a frown before smiling, it may indicate underlying discomfort despite their outward cheerfulness. You can spot micro-expressions in various real-life situations, such as during a tense conversation or when someone receives unexpected news. By honing your ability to read these subtle cues, you can gain deeper insights into others' emotions and enhance your interpersonal skills significantly. Understanding tone of voice. Tone of voice is a powerful aspect of communication that conveys emotions and intentions beyond the words spoken. Factors like pitch, volume, and pace significantly impact how a message is received. For example, a high pitch may indicate excitement or nervousness, while a low pitch can suggest seriousness or authority. Volume also plays a role. Speaking softly can convey intimacy or secrecy, whereas shouting may express anger or urgency. Additionally, the pace at which someone speaks can reveal their emotional state. Rapid speech might indicate anxiety, while a slow, deliberate tone can suggest thoughtfulness. Consider how the phrase, "I can't believe you did that," can change meaning based on tone. A sarcastic tone implies disbelief, while a concerned tone suggests genuine worry. By understanding tone, you can enhance your communication skills and better interpret others' feelings. If you love learning cool tips like these, hit subscribe and join us for more amazing content. Don't miss out, let's grow together. Let's continue. Identifying personality types. Understanding different personality frameworks can significantly enhance your ability to connect with others. Two popular models are the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, and the Big Five personality traits. The MBTI categorizes individuals into 16 distinct personality types based on preferences in areas like energy source, information processing, and decision-making. Meanwhile, the Big Five framework focuses on 5 core traits: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Recognizing these personality types can help you understand how they influence behavior and communication styles. For instance, an extrovert may thrive in social settings, while an introvert might prefer one-on-one interactions. By considering these traits in your conversations, you can tailor your approach to better resonate with others, fostering more meaningful connections and improving overall communication. Embrace the diversity of personalities around you. Observing reactions to stress. People react to stress in various ways, and understanding these responses can reveal a lot about their emotional state. Common stress responses include the fight or flight reaction, where individuals either confront the challenge head-on or withdraw from it. Identifying stress indicators in others can be crucial. Look for signs such as rapid breathing, fidgeting, or changes in tone of voice. Additionally, facial expressions may show tension or anxiety. When approaching someone in a stressful situation, it's important to be empathetic and non-threatening. Start by acknowledging their feelings and offering a listening ear. Use open body language and a calm tone to create a safe space for them to express themselves. By being supportive, you can help alleviate their stress and foster a more constructive dialogue. Using open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are a powerful tool in conversations, allowing for richer and more meaningful exchanges. Unlike closed questions, which typically elicit a simple yes or no response, open-ended questions invite the other person to elaborate and share their thoughts in detail. This encourages deeper responses and fosters a more engaging dialogue. For example, instead of asking, "Did you enjoy the event?" you might ask, "What was your favorite part of the event and why?" This prompts the individual to reflect and share their experiences. Other effective open-ended questions include, "How do you feel about the changes at work?" or "What challenges have you faced recently?" By incorporating open-ended questions into your conversations, you can create a more dynamic interaction and gain valuable insights into the perspectives of others. Recognizing emotional triggers. Identifying emotional triggers in others is essential for fostering understanding and empathy in conversations. Common emotional triggers can include topics related to past trauma, personal values, or significant life changes. These triggers often elicit strong reactions, such as anger, sadness, or defensiveness. To observe reactions effectively, pay attention to body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions when specific subjects arise. For instance, if someone becomes visibly tense or avoids eye contact when discussing a particular topic, it may indicate an emotional trigger. Additionally, it's important to encourage viewers to be mindful of their own triggers, as self-awareness can enhance communication and reduce misunderstandings. By recognizing and respecting both your own and others' emotional triggers, you can create a more supportive and compassionate environment for meaningful interactions. The power of silence. Silence can be an incredibly powerful tool in communication, often conveying more than words ever could. Psychologically, silence creates space for reflection, allowing individuals to process their thoughts and feelings. It can also signal that you are actively listening, fostering a deeper connection with the speaker. Using silence strategically can encourage others to share more, as they may feel prompted to fill the void with their thoughts. For example, after asking a thought-provoking question, pausing for a few moments can lead to more profound insights. Additionally, silence can change the dynamics of a discussion. It can diffuse tension during a heated argument or create a moment of intimacy in a heartfelt conversation. By embracing the power of silence, you can enhance your communication skills and create more meaningful interactions. Assessing eye contact. Eye contact plays a crucial role in communication, often conveying confidence and honesty. However, cultural differences significantly influence eye contact norms. In some cultures, direct eye contact is seen as a sign of respect and engagement, while in others, it may be considered rude or confrontational. Understanding these differences is essential for effective communication. Varying levels of eye contact can also indicate different emotions. For instance, consistent eye contact may suggest interest and sincerity, while avoiding eye contact might signal discomfort or dishonesty. To maintain appropriate eye contact during conversations, aim for a balance. Make eye contact about 50 to 70% of the time to show engagement without making the other person uncomfortable. Additionally, remember to occasionally glance away to avoid staring. By mastering eye contact, you can enhance your presence and build trust in your interactions. Understanding contextual clues. Context plays a vital role in shaping behavior and communication, making situational awareness essential for effective interactions. By observing the environment, you can gather clues about a person's mood, intentions, and social dynamics. For instance, a relaxed setting, like a coffee shop, may encourage open conversation, while a formal meeting room might prompt more reserved behavior. Reading the environment can also involve noting nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, which can provide insight into how someone is feeling. For example, a person crossing their arms in a casual setting may indicate discomfort, while in a formal context, it might simply reflect their posture. Understanding these contextual clues allows you to interpret messages more accurately and respond appropriately, enhancing your communication skills and fostering better connections with others. Building empathy. Empathy is a crucial component in understanding others and enhancing interpersonal relationships. When you practice empathy, you create a safe space for open communication, allowing individuals to feel heard and valued. This connection fosters trust and strengthens bonds, whether in personal or professional settings. To develop empathy in conversations, try techniques such as active listening, where you fully focus on the speaker without interrupting, and reflecting back what you've heard to confirm understanding. Additionally, ask open-ended questions that encourage others to share their feelings and experiences. Encourage viewers to practice empathy in their daily interactions by being mindful of others' emotions and perspectives. Simple acts, like acknowledging someone's feelings or offering support, can make a significant difference. By cultivating empathy, you can enrich your relationships and contribute to a more compassionate environment. Thanks for watching. We shared some awesome psychology tricks to help you read and connect with people better, like spotting body language, using empathy, and asking great questions. Try these tips in real life and see the difference. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd love it too. Stay tuned for more insights into human behavior. See you next time.